There is one common problem faced by all the CS students, be it CSET students, CS executive students, or CS professional students, and that common problem is keeping a track over all the ICSI updates and notifications. I've seen a lot of CS students facing various technical problems with respect to their registration, their exam form, etc. So, if you're one of those CS aspirants wondering how you can get all the important ICSI updates and information 100% authentic and correct at one single platform without any extra efforts, then yes, you are at the right place. I welcome you all to EduMention CS classes. This channel is all about providing free and interesting education to CS aspirants like you, helping you with respect to your studies and examination, providing you with all the important updates and information, and ultimately helping you learn, grow, and achieve. So, in order to serve you all in the best way possible, I am excited to introduce you with the new team members of EduMention. So, meet my team.
Hello everyone, my name is Riya Kukreti.
Hello everyone, Vanshika Mulchandani this side. I hope you all are doing well.
And I am Agrawal.
We are corporate law enthusiasts and in the mission to provide you with all the ICSI updates and information.
Apart from this, we will also provide you with various studies hacks and strategies which will help you crack your CS exams.
Additionally, we'll provide one-stop solution for understanding law concepts in the most easy manner, learning various memory techniques, learning answer writing strategy, and whatnot.
So, stay tuned with us for all the upcoming amazing videos.
Make sure that you like and subscribe for more such videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video.
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.